I'm going to do a video here on cropping, resizing, and sharpening videos and images. Now what I'm just going to do the videos, but the same thing works for the images. The same FFmpeg works with images as well as it does with video. The reason I have the sharpening in here is if you do cropping and resizing, especially if you're upsizing, you just may want to sharpen your image a little bit too. This exists on a website. It was made specifically for this video and it will remain up on the site for reference and copying and pasting the code. Here's the original video right here. And you see it's a little video on top of a black background. It's a 1280 by 720 video. We're going to try to crop this inside out right here. We're going to crop a 480 by 360 area out of it. It just happens after a lot of experimenting around that I found out 480 by 360 is the size of the area in there. Whenever you don't know the exact dimensions of the area you're cutting, there's a lot of experimenting, especially if it's something like this that has a border on it. But here is the actual code that would cut it. And down below here the code again. That's the code that was used to do this. And here we cut it out. That cut that exact center out right there. That is from that original large video. Now you can resize it. Here is the code to resize it. You basically tell it the name, you tell it a filter, a video filter, resize, and save it. And here it is resized. Now that's in the same proportion as the large one. If you want to do a square, you have to force the saw on it. And you see down here what I did is I put the scale, comma, set the saw 1:1. It's a 1:1 ratio. And here it is squared. Now down below, here's the focusing. Here's regular focusing defaults if you tell it just to focus. It tells the different digits in here, like the first, the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth digit in here and what they do. The area covered, the luma filter. Again, this is something until you really understand it, you almost have to experiment with it. But here's a piece of video, unfiltered.
And I'm heading back home. I'm down here by Bing's store.
There it is unfiltered. And here's the same piece of video, filtered.
And I'm heading back home. I'm down here by Bing's store. Here's Christine out here.
To wind up with the difference between the top video and the bottom video, this is the settings that I used right here. I loaded the video. I used a video filter. Mine is via video filter. Unsharpen. And there's the numbers I used in it. To really understand those numbers, you almost have to do several runs at a video and take a look at it and see what you like to use. And I will put the link in the video for this on where this link is, and this should pretty well describe or explain to you how to crop, resize, and sharpen videos. Hey, thank you, and if you find this useful, subscribe. Have a good day.